What's up, everybody? So today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a Europe pack with me video because Brett and I are going on our honeymoon very soon. So this is just a carry-on only pack with me video using the Away suitcase, which I'm really excited. I'm going to be trying out for the first time. And the Beis convertible mini weekender bag, which is going to be my personal item bag. So if you're interested, keep watching. So we have the Away suitcase here. So this is where all the clothes go. And then we have a laundry bag in here. And this is apparently waterproof, so you can put, like, if your bathing suit is wet or something, you can put it in there. And then it has this middle compartment, so you can put, like, papers or, like, something flat in here. And then this section over here is for all the awkward items. So, like, if something, like shoes or whatever that are shaped funny, you can put in this compartment right here. So I already packed this in a packing cube. So these are all my clothes, and this is what I'm going to wear, like, probably in Paris, somewhere where I'm going to need like warmer clothes. So I'll put that in here. This took up a lot more space than I anticipated, actually. But it's okay, we're working with it. I tried to lightly pack for this. Then we have my second packing cube, and this is like more kind of like warm clothes and everything. Okay, so we're going to put that actually in the awkward items section. And then I am going to put my running sneakers in here. I may wear them on the plane. I'm not sure yet. But I'm going to put that in there, just like that. And then I'm going to put this. So this I got off of Amazon. And I printed off all of this. Has some tissue in here, a pen, and then I printed off our train tickets, and I put them in this. And then I'm also going to keep some euros in here too. So I'm going to put this all in here, just like that. I'm going to zipper this up. So I have a lot of extra space in the suitcase, and that is on purpose because I plan to do hopefully a little bit of shopping, getting some souvenirs when we're away. So I left some space. So I'm just going to zip it all up here, just like that. And then this can actually compress if you need it. I don't really need it to compress right now. So I'm just going to zip it up like this. All right, and the carry-on is complete. So with this bag, you can actually set your own lock too. So I have it set at like whatever it is. I can't tell you guys, sorry. And then it can just lock into place, and then when you want to open it, you just go like with the side button. So one is locked into place, so nobody can get at this suitcase unless they are TSA people who have like a key or whatever. But then if you want to unlock it, you just go like this, look. Boom, unlocked. So this, and then you're set with your carry-on suitcase, just like this. Okay, so next I have my personal items bag. So this is the Beis convertible mini. So this actually fits quite a lot of stuff. It is quite spacious. And the bottom part right here actually zips all the way off. So if you want to put it in the seat in front of you and it doesn't fit at first, you can just zip this bottom part off and it'll fit under the seat. It's a bigger personal items bag, but it still works. So this is the inside right here. The first thing I bring with me is this. So this has all of my cords in it. It has my iPhone charger. It has my Fitbit charger. It has my camera battery charger. And it has a pen just in case I need a pen on the trip over or anything. So this is something that I picked up from Amazon. And it is a universal charger. So it works in Europe, the UK, a bunch of different places. And it's really great because the outlets are different there. So you need to remember to bring something like this. And it fits 2 USB ports. yeah, and it's really great. And next, I bring with me a water bottle. I bring this with me just because there's so many water fountains outside in Europe, and it's nice just to be able to fill up your water bottle instead of having to buy plastic water bottles, so I bring that with me. And I also just picked up from Amazon some headphones for the flight, so just so that I can watch some airplane movies. And then I'm also gonna bring a book with me, because I like to read like on trains or outside, so I'm gonna bring this with me just in case I decide to read. And then I have my iPad mini, which I like to download movies on, and it's really great for traveling. And then next, my camera is something I'm using right now actually, but I have my camera case here, so this is gonna be like my camera, so I bring that with me. And next, I bring this with me, and this just has like some cotton pads, some hand wipes, and some makeup, some floss, and a brush. So I just keep that all in there. And then I also have a notebook that I'm bringing because I wrote down in the notebook all of our plans. So like different places to go eat for our honeymoon, different places to go visit, and I wrote down all of our, if we like put in a reservation for something, I wrote down the confirmation numbers just in case, like, I don't know, our phones died or something, just so our information doesn't get lost. Then I put all of my toiletries just in this little clear plastic container, and that is also gonna fit in this bag. And then lastly, I have just deodorant and AirPods. Oops, there we go. Oh, it's not focusing. Okay, there, AirPods. And then I have a travel pillow, which I picked up from Amazon as well. Let's go ahead and pack this bag up. Okay, so lastly, like I mentioned before, the bottom part of the bag actually zips off completely. So I'll just show you how that works. So, so it just zips off like this, and on the bottom of the bag, I have a pair of Converse, I have Birkenstocks, and I have a pair of flip-flops just in here. So this completely zips off, and then you can zip it back on. But this is the bottom of the bag because you can even tell that it, like, when this zips off, like, it looks like a regular bag because it has a finished bottom and it's all croc, so that's really nice. So that concludes my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.